Do you want to hide email on Facebook? You can make Facebook email private with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To hide your email on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your Facebook profile screen. At the top of the screen, tap on the edit icon. A new screen will appear with different options. Scroll down to the contact info section. Find and tap on your email address. Now, tap on the privacy drop-down above your email. Select Only Me from the options. Once done, tap the Save button. Now, your email address will be private on your Facebook profile.